In this video, we're going to talk about an all-in-one indicator that can be used for super accurate trend following entries. We're going to show you what this indicator is, and we'll also go over its key components and functionalities. On top of that, we will discuss the entry and exit conditions for a simple and profitable strategy that we created just for this video. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So, this indicator is called All Indicators in One. To add it to your chart, you're going to go to TradingView, which is the charting platform that I'm going to be using. Next, we're going to click on Indicators, then type in All Indicators in One. And you're going to select this one created by TZAC88. So, after adding this indicator to your chart, this is how it's going to look like. It's called All Indicators in One because while it doesn't have all the indicators in the world, it has up to 8 super useful and well-known indicators that are available on TradingView. These indicators include the RSI, as you can see right here, the SMA, the Stochastic Oscillator, the Stochastic RSI, the MACD, the ADX, the MFI, and the VWAP. As you can see, all these indicators are listed on this table right here. The table contains the indicator names and the indicator status, which includes some numbers and bullish or bearish indications. And we're gonna go over what all this means in a bit. But for now, let's finish exploring this indicator's components. As you can see, we have several red horizontal lines, and then we have this blue line and several green lines. The red lines represent resistance levels. So this is a resistance level, this is another resistance level, and this is another one. This green line represents support level. Then this blue line in the center represents the midpoint between the first resistance level and the first support level. And then here we have an EMA trend cloud. A green cloud is used to indicate a bullish trend, while a red cloud is used to indicate a bearish trend. And also this table right here is called the dashboard, as you can see on this indicator settings. Speaking of settings, you may be thinking, and what aspects of this indicator can we change? Well, let's take a look. Right off the bat, we have the dashboard settings. We can change the position of the dashboard to any of this, and we can also change the size. And here we have BTC and DXY filters. This is going to be used to track the trend of the BTC chart and the DXY chart. You can also choose whatever time frame that you're going to be using, and you can do that right here. For me, I'm going to be using the 5-minute time frame, so I'm going to select 5 minutes. For the filter's length, we're going to keep this at 25. Then this are the support and resistance settings. As you can see, we can change the support color, the resistance color, the width of these lines, as well as the color for this text. Now, these are the settings for these indicators here. For the RSI, we can change the RSI length as well as the source. Now, if you look at the table, there are 4 different time frames of the ATR. If we wanted to change any of the time frames, we could do that right here. So this is going to be the default RSI length on this 5-minute time frame of BTC USD. RSI 2 is set to 15 minutes, which means this indicator is going to track the RSI values on the 15-minute time frame of BTC USD. Here we have the 1-hour time frame for tracking the RSI values on the 1-hour time frame. Then here it's gonna do the same, but on the 4-hour time frame of BTC USD. Here you can choose the signal line to be used by the RSI. By default, we're gonna stick with the SMA with a length of 10. Next, we have the MA settings, which is gonna be the settings for these SMAs listed on this table. Just like the RSI, we have 5 different SMAs, each with a different length. The first one has a length of 5, and then 10, 20, and 50. If you wanna have a different combination, this is where you would change that. Then these are the stochastic settings, the MACD settings, the ADX settings, the MFI settings, and the STC settings. And then here you can change the colors for this EMA trend cloud. Simple. The Style tab allows you to disable or enable the bar colors. We're going to disable this because we don't need it. We're also going to disable these 2 shades options. After that, click OK. Next, we will explore how we can use this indicator, specifically the support and resistance levels, as well as the dashboard, to take long and short positions.